that so interesting? The answer is variety in your shots. You saw drone shots, you saw gimbal shots. All those shots help tell the story of what you were trying to show your audience. This is how you do it. So what you want to do is you want to have some low, some high, some tight and some wide shots. As a tight shot can show the different textures and a wide shot can show where it is and what its surroundings look like. You want to do this to keep your watchers interested in what you're actually trying to show them, because if the shots are just the same, you're not going to keep them interested. Let's cut to the next step. The second step is you want to actually move your camera in the shot, because that will create motion blur, and you can watch a few shots that are just static, but it's not as interesting for the viewer. So always make sure you move your shots to create a feeling of motion and speed in your footage. Let's cut to the last step. The last tip is to be creative and innovative with your shots to make sure you be the best filmmaker that you can be. So thank you for watching. If you want to see the cinematic version of the Iceland film, go into the link in the description below. If you did get something out of it, please make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.